amount of pressure comes with this mine, so I don't envy Anna, who's bless her, this is her first marshalled ride today that she's leading. I think it's about 40-50 bikes. Currently I've probably got about 20 or 30 behind me, so I'm feeling her pressure, but unlike me, she hasn't got anyone marshalling for her. She is the pack leader. Nice little bridge. Aye, so if I take a wrong turn, and I'm going to have 20-30 bikers behind, all going the wrong way with me. So let's hope it doesn't come to that. Part of the world. Looks like there's lots of cyclists up ahead. So I need to concentrate, so if I go quiet I'm just concentrating. I'm looking for an luminous vest Harley Davidson rider. Obviously someone wearing a vest. Vest doesn't ride a Harley by itself, that would be insane. Doubles, so near one's overtaken, there won't be any road crew coming through, which obviously would be a great help for me if one of the road crew took over and led the way. Oh, I got a nod. Ah, there's loads of cars. Again, let's take it back to Harvey Ride's bikes. Whizzy Boy Road Crew. I'm shit with names, it's either Phil or Paul. Begins with a P, hence the private plate. Solid white line. Access denied. I'm pleased I took my antihistamine this morning because God, I don't know, I smell the pollen and the grapeseed oil, those yellow things in the field. Right, sure be shy, concentrate, because I think I might have to turn right here. Yes! Phil, Paul, whatever. Peter, might be Peter, any name beginning with a P. I think it's Paul. Or Phil. I don't know. Just call him Whizzy Harley Boy. Whee! There we go, all the way around. Champion. Oh no, he's leaving us. He's leaving us. Do I go? Do I risk it? Is it worth it? That would mean me leaving Will. And then I might get separated again. You know what? Let's see. If there's no other cars. Good. I'm going. Going. Hey, I'm good. Woo! I'm sticking with him. And Will's coming with us. This is it. Oh, there's the police. Thought that would do anything wrong. Look at the speed on 60 mile an hour. There you go, that's it. Oh, don't leave this. I like this. I like not being the pack leader. To be the pack leader, you have to think. And I'm not good at multitasking, especially not on my bike. Oh shit, it's gone! Don't go! Where are you going? Right, not far. I'll just move over so I can still see him. I don't think I'll go for the overtake. Oh, what road's that? Yeah, that's strange. I thought that's the M1. According to the sat-nav, I'm on the A168. It's a roundabout in just over a quarter of a mile, so I'm just going to coast. Let's see where we'll be going. Well, according to the sat-nav, it's in straight over, but that is direct to the dealership, and I don't know which way we're going. I'll see if I can see Phil or Peter, Paul. 3Ps, where's he going? Oh, brake. Aye, helps if I brake. I think he's going straight over. Keep a look out. Straight over. If I don't see him on the right, I haven't seen him on the right. Aye, there we go. A canny Geordie phase. Now it's set, straight ahead. There we go. Alan's done it. Oh, it's Headley. Wu-Tang boy. Yeah, I look the same, these road crew. I should have known. Davy's got his little luminous trainee vest on. Bless him. Different colour. Right. People pulling over. Yes. Everyone's pulling over. There we go. And that's good. Get the pack back together.